For maximum production and utilization of resources, the fish and poultry production process in the pond simultaneously called integrated fish and poultry farming methods. Now we will discuss the business ideas of integrated fish and layer chicken farm. In modern way, 60 to 70% of the production cost of fish farming is to be spent on the purchase of fertilizer and supplementary food. In this case, using integrated layer chicken and fish farming method can increase the production of fish without any fertilizer and supplementary food. In this technology, chicken waste meal and chicken closet are used as fish food. Therefore, without the cost of purchasing fish food and fertilizer, the production of significant quantities of fish can be increased. The same land is used for two purposes, so the maximum use of land is ensured. Integrated chickens and fish farming facilities. Number 1. Chicken shit is a superior organic fertilizer. If you build a house on the pond and do layer chicken farm, there is no need for fertilizer or supplementary food for fish, so the chicken shirt is fully utilized. Number 2. Unused and fallen into the water, chicken food is used as supplementary food for fish. As a result, the cost of production decreases. Number 3. On the water of the pond, making the platform, chicken farm is done, the place is saved. Number 4. Do not always clean the house, because the chicken shit falls directly into the water. Number 5. The chicken house is not in contact with the soil, because the layer chicken is less than the disease. Number 6. In this method, it is possible to production fish, meat, and eggs very easily from the same farm. As a result, more food production and maximum utilization of assets are ensured. Number 7. In this method, relatively little investment, labor, and time can earn more. For the egg, layer chicken will buy one-day-old baby. Those who start to give eggs at 18 to 19 weeks of age, and the production period ranges from 72 to 78 weeks of age. Up to 80% of eggs can be found from the farm mentioned on the pond, layer chicken farming. For the production of more eggs, commercial or hybrid type layer chicken should be selected. In this method, the fish and layer chicken farm together, without any food and fertilizer, can produce 4,400 to 5,200 kilograms of fish per hectare per year. Generally, after 10 to 12 months each fish is suitable for sale. 1 hectare pond can go without 5,500 to 6,003 4-inch size fish. At the same time, different species of fish have to be released in the pond. In this case, fish production increased significantly. Layer chicken house should be in open space on the pond. It is necessary to keep in mind that adequate light and air can enter the house. Depending on the size of the house, how many chickens will be kept in that room. Each layer chicken requires 2 to 3 square feet of space.